Do you know if the money you're spending on marketing is actually working? For a lot of people, it's still a mystery, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools, you can actually track your campaigns and see if they're generating a return on your investment. If you're a marketing executive, a business owner, or an agency executive, stick around because today we're going to explore one of the tools you can use to track your data, manage your analytics, and improve your campaign results. Let's do this. Hi, my name is Jamie Turner. You may have read one of my books or seen me on TV, but the number one thing I love to do is to help people like you grow their business and improve their careers. Now, if you're like a lot of executives, you'd like to learn how to monitor the success of your digital ad campaigns. The problem is that all of your data is scattered around on spreadsheets and emails or even on yellow stickies. It's enough to drive you crazy. Woo! Wouldn't it be great if you could have all of your information collected into a single dashboard that tracked, organized, and gave you insights into what's working and what's not working? Well, I have some good news for you. My partners at Adriel have asked me to show you how their platform can help you do exactly that. Okay, first things first, let me start by sharing who Adriel is perfect for. If you're spending, say, less than $1,000 per month on your marketing campaigns, then Adriel's probably not for you. But if you're spending $1,000 or $100,000 or more a month on your campaigns, then you're going to see a huge benefit from using Adriel. In fact, some organizations have seen a 150% increase in their ROI just by using Adriel. And other organizations have seen a 20% decrease in their customer acquisition cost. Imagine the impact on your bottom line if you saw a 150% increase in your ROI or a 20% decrease in your acquisition cost. It'd be mind-blowing. Okay, by now you're probably saying, I got it. Adriel can improve my results, but you might also be wondering how it actually works. I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look. Adriel starts by collecting data from your digital campaign sources like Facebook, YouTube, Google Analytics, Pixel data, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and others. They can use this to show cost plus revenue data from multiple channels in one single dashboard. Then it centralizes and normalizes your data so that you can grab hold of it and really dig into the insights. From there, it visualizes your data in a format that works for you. I don't know about you, but I'm a visual learner, so anytime data can be shown on a chart, a graph, or a diagram, I understand it better than if it's just a bunch of numbers on a spreadsheet. Best of all, this data is unbiased. In other words, Adriel gives you the overall picture so that you have a single source of truth for your data. That's one of the things I like about the platform, is that it takes the campaigns I run and puts the results into data that I can use. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. In this overview dashboard, I have everything at my fingertips: impressions, click-through rate, cost per click, number of clicks, ad spend, even cost per acquisition. And don't forget, this is data from across all of your digital ad platforms, all consolidated into one easy-to-use dashboard. But wait, that's not all. Adriel also sends you alerts on your desktop, on the mobile app, or even via push notifications. That way, you get notified when your return on ad spend is too low or even when it's overperforming on certain channels. Adriel is a tool that's meant to be shared. It's super easy to add or disconnect accounts or users. You can even choose what level of access your users have so that your data is always safe. Another great thing about Adriel is that it allows you to make agile decisions with real-time insights. We live in a world that's moving faster and faster all the time, so the ability to make decisions quickly and then see the results immediately can be a game changer for your business. Another great thing is that you can edit settings, budget, and turn campaigns on or off directly from your dashboard. And when you do that, the changes will apply to every channel. And don't forget, it not only helps you improve the results of your ad spend, but it also allows you to work more efficiently too. Instead of spending all that time aggregating and analyzing data from a bunch of different sources, all of that's automated so you can do your work more quickly and efficiently. Here's the bottom line. If you're trying to get more bang from your marketing buck and you're interested in improving efficiencies with your team members, then check out Adriel. I use it, I love it, and I know you will too. Oh, wait. One more thing. If you'd like to check out Adriel for yourself, be sure to click the link in the description below and you'll be taken right to their website. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and a CEO, and I'll catch you next time.